Hi guys, welcome back to my channel As We Love It, and I have started my keto diet again. It has just been 2 to 3 days now, but I'm doing it religiously now. And the first thing for keto diet is that you have to count your macros, count everything that you put inside your system. So today I'm not talking about macros or anything, I'm just talking about a plain good coffee. Now this is bulletproof coffee which will give you a lot of fat into your system, something around 400 calories. Early in the morning or whenever you wake up, you can have this coffee and this will really fill you up and get the amount of fats that you need for the day. So first I have taken a pot, any pan or pot is okay for this. I'm adding some coffee. This is instant coffee I'm adding. You can also add filter coffee. I don't like my coffee very strong, so I'm adding just a quarter teaspoon of it. Any brand you can use, that doesn't matter at all. To this I am adding a cup of hot water, just boiling water. I'm adding a cup of it here. Here. And now I'm going to give it a quick mix. I'm going to cover it for 2 minutes. Just for 2 minutes I'm going to leave it like this. So 2 minutes are over. My coffee has been sitting for 2 minutes like this. Now to make it a bulletproof coffee, this is the plain black coffee now. Now to make it bulletproof coffee, we need to add some fats. So this is butter. This is unsalted butter. You can take off any brand that you like. You add some of it. Now this also depends on you. I have just started my keto. I'm not putting a lot of it. This much, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. Here it goes, my butter. And then some coconut oil. So I'm using virgin coconut oil here. Instead of coconut oil, you can also use ghee. So I normally cook my food in ghee, so I'm taking coconut oil here. Coconut oil is full of good fats. You know, you can't imagine the amount of fats. Now coconut oil is full of good fatty acids. It is also anti-inflammatory. It gives you a lot of energy to run throughout the day in keto, and it is delicious. I find it very delicious. You know, you have to have a hang of it first. Try this coffee for a few times and then I think you'll love it. Now to make it even more delicious and good, I'm adding some vanilla essence, just 1 drop. That's it. Just 1 drop, that's it. 1 drop of vanilla. Now my coffee is going to smell like vanilla with all the goodness of coconut oil and butter. Now I'm going to churn it. You can do it in a mixer grinder or a food processor. I'm using a beater for this. I'm going to just simply put this, give it a toss, and I'm going to mix it for minimum a minute. Right, you can do it for 1.5 minutes, but minimum you have to do it for a minute to get the nice thick consistency. So let's start. Done. I have nicely churned my bulletproof coffee. I'm going to take this out now. My coffee is ready now. I'm going to pour it. You can see the color, the consistency have changed because of the butter and the coconut oil. It's become frothy and it smells like vanilla. It does. So here my bulletproof keto coffee is ready. It is very tasty. Once you get the taste of it, you really crave for this coffee early in the morning. So as I'm doing keto now, I'll start a keto series recipe in my channel, which will be all Indian based keto recipes. I think in this lockdown many people have started keto, and my recipes will also help them in some or the other way. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and do give this bullet coffee a try. It is simply delicious, and thank you so much.